Good morning, guys. Nikki Ness here in therapy mode. So, this morning I wanted to take some time to talk to you guys about negative thinking. Sometimes when we wake up, or just throughout our day, or even before bed, we have so many thoughts going through our head. We have, I think it is about 60,000 thoughts a day. And out of those 60,000, probably about 90% or a little bit more, maybe, are negative thoughts. A lot of the thoughts that we have, guys, are automatic thoughts. So they're the things that just come to our mind automatically. We don't control them. We're not trying to think about them. They just come. So when that happens, how can you combat that, right? Because nobody wants to go through their day having negative thoughts all day or negative thoughts all night. That can become very, very overwhelming. It can cause a person to have anxiety or depression, right? When all they're thinking about is how bad they are, how bad their life is going to be, how bad things are going to turn out. It can be very, very difficult to move past these thoughts. So one of the things that I've learned is when these thoughts come, you can treat them like clouds, right? Allow them to just glide on by. They come into your mind, let them sit there for a second. You can become aware of those thoughts and think about, is this something that is true? For instance, if you're having a thought, I am not worthy, I'm stupid, I'm dumb, things are never going to work out for me. Think about those thoughts for a minute and become aware of them. And say, are you really dumb? No. You did very well in school, you got good grades, so obviously you're not dumb. Same thing if you're not feeling like you're not worthy. You can always tell yourself, hey, maybe I'm not at my best right now, but I'm trying, right? I'm improving as the day goes. I'm getting better as time goes on. I'm healing every day. Telling yourself things like that instead. So not only becoming aware of the negative thoughts that you're having, but also being able to just kind of let them float by without judgment, right? Not judging those emotions or feelings or thoughts, but just allowing them to just simply be. Once you become aware of them and you've kind of tested them out for validity to see, hey, is these things true or not? Then you can kind of move past, right? Once you realize that every thought that you have is not the truth, it's not a fact, it's just something that comes and goes, right? That will also help you. So not only becoming aware and understanding and labeling these thoughts and doing that with no judgment, you also want to reframe those thoughts. So similar to the examples that I just gave, instead of you saying something negative about yourself, reframing it in a more positive